Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of foldable smartphones, focusing on two top contenders, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Huawei Mate X3. If you've been eyeing a foldable device, let's see how these two compare in terms of durability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 impresses with its robust design, featuring an armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring resistance to drops and scratches. It also has an IPX8 water resistance rating, making it more resilient in different environments. Despite its durability, some users still find the crease on the screen noticeable. The Huawei Mate X3 is known for its ultra-thin, durable build. It features a solid hinge mechanism and is equipped with Kunlun Glass, which offers improved durability. However, it lacks an official water resistance rating, so it may not hold up as well in wet conditions. Which one is more durable? Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 takes the edge with its water resistance and rugged design, but Huawei's Mate X3 stands strong with its premium materials. It ultimately depends on your needs, whether you prioritize water resistance or a sleek, strong foldable design. See you in the next one.